Did you know that the leading cause of home fires are from cooking-related incidents? Safera Sense should be the first line of defense in protecting your home and your loved ones while preparing food, where it not only recognizes potential fire hazards, but also monitors air quality and even assists in cooking.
Safera Sense prevents cooking fires and helps you to maintain good air quality while cooking. Just place the battery-powered sensor above your stove and it will constantly keep an eye on your stove. With the mobile app, you can then monitor your air quality and control your frying temperatures more precisely. So for example, we can recognize when water started boiling, when you started frying, and so forth. And with that information, we can assist you with cooking. We can, for example, set timers automatically for you, and we can help you to fry your steaks in perfect temperature. And also, we of course make sure that there will be no cooking accidents, cooking fires. And it also serves as an air quality monitor. That relates to cooking in a way that frying in too high temperatures can produce a lot of fine particles to your indoor air, which are harmful for your health. So that's why we've included the air quality monitoring to the product. We often hear people saying that this is truly something new in the smart home area. People are fascinated to see how cooking affects their indoor air quality and learn how to avoid those harmful pollutants. They also love that they don't anymore have to worry about leaving their stove on.
Get your very own by heading to Safera.com today.